Ladies and boys and girls, in this video I will show you how to animate like Bart VFX in Premiere Pro. First, we are going to animate this test animation. Second, we are going to animate this character animation. And finally, we are going to animate this arrow animation. With that being said, let's get into the video. First, go to New Item, Sequence, Horizontal 1080, Vertical 920. So let me add a ink drop overlay video in timeline. Go to Effects and add Tint. Change map white to black color and map black to light dark color. Use the type tool and go to add a text. Adjust position and scale. Go to Effects and add drop shadow. Change shadow color to white. Adjust direction and increase softness. Create multiple copies of this drop shadow. Under opacity, change blend mode to screen. Decrease the opacity a little bit. Now go to New Item, add black video. Go to Effects and add grid. Place this over here. Adjust this anchor point and the corner. Under opacity, change blend mode to overlay. Select the text layer and set keyframe for position. Place it to the right. Go a few frames forward and place the text to the left. Select both keyframes, right click, temporary interpolation, auto bezier. Place this black video on top. Now I'm going to create a copy of this text layer by holding Alt key or Option key. Place it on top. Delete the position keyframes and place this text on bottom. Set keyframe for position. Place it all the way to the left. Go a few frames forward and place it all the way to the right. Place this black video on top. Create a copy of this text layer. Place it in the middle. Delete the position keyframes. Let me change the font type. Under text, select this rectangle mask. Create a mask like this. Set keyframe for mask path. Go a few frames forward and adjust the mask path. Let me increase the mask feather. Go to Effects and add Gaussian blur to this text layer. Set keyframe for blurriness and increase the value of blurriness. Go a few frames forward and blurriness amount to 0. Now, I don't want this animation to go from left to right or right to left. What I'm going to do is, I will set a keyframe for position over here and delete this end keyframe. After that done, let me delete the unwanted portions. Nest all these layers. Now for the second scene, go to New Item, Color Matte. Select the color white. Place this layer over here. Go to Effects and add 4 color gradient. Change color 1, color 2 and color 4 to black and color 3 to white. Adjust the point value of color 3 and color 4 and increase the blend amount. Go to New Item and add black video. Go to Effects and add grid. Change the values of anchor point and corner. Under opacity, change blend mode to overlay. Reduce opacity to 50. Now I'm going to add an image over here. Go to Effects and add tint. Select the sequence and set keyframe for opacity. For the character image, adjust the position and scale like this. Set keyframe for position and scale. Go if you press over and adjust the position and scale like this. Use the type tool, I'm going to add a text. Double click on the next sequence and copy these drop shadows. Go back to main sequence and paste to this test layer. Go to effects and add basic 3D. Adjust swivel and tilt value. Set keyframe position and scale. Go if you press over and adjust the position and scale like this. Let me add another test using type tool. Place this test layer over here. Go to effects and add Gaussian blur to this bottom test layer and character layer. Set keyframe for blurriness over here. Go if you press over and increase the blurriness. For this test layer, I will also set a keyframe for opacity over here. Go if you press over and increase the opacity value. And for this test layer, under transform, I will set a keyframe for scale. Change to 0. Go if you press over and increase the scale size. Now, go to effects and add lens distortion to this test layer. Increase curvature amount a little bit. Under lens distortion, select this rectangle mask and create a mask like this. Go a few frames over and adjust set keyframe for scale. Go again few frames and change scale size to 0. Delete the unwanted portions, nest all these layers. I will set a keyframe for scale, go at the end and increase the scale size. Now for the third scene. Before that, if you like my content and want to know how to create these viral edits in Premiere Pro, consider subscribing. Thank you. Let me get back to the video. Go to new item, color matte, select the color black, place it over here, go to effects and add 4 color gradient. Color 1, color 2 and color 4 to black and color 3 to ash color. Adjust the 0.3 values. Increase the blend value. Go to new item and add black video. Place it over here. Add grid. Change angle and corner value. Under opacity, change blend mode to overlay. Decrease the opacity value. Add the character over here. Adjust position and scale. Go to effects and add tint. Using type tool, I am going to add a text. Adjust position and scale. Set keyframe for position for this character image. Go a few frames forward and place it down like this. Do the same for this text layer. Now I'm going to add an arrow image over here. Add tint to this arrow image. Adjust position and scale. Place this arrow image below the character image. Under opacity, select this rectangle mask. Set keyframe for mask path. Go few frames forward and adjust the mask path like this. Increase the mask feather value. Use the type tool. I'm going to add a text. Place this over here. Under opacity, change blend mode to hard light. Place this SLR over here. Set keyframe for scale and increase the scale value. Go few frames forward and decrease the scale size. Delete the unwanted portions and nest it. Yeah, and that's it, ladies and boys and girls. If you want to know how to edit like viral Instagram reels like Houston Gold, check out this video right here. If you want to know how to edit like Ali Abdar, check out this video right here. And if you find this video useful, give a like, subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of tutorial videos, and I will see you on my next video.